Hello YouTube, today I'm playing Greenville beta. Oh, I don't need to go here. I already have some cars because I played this game before. No, wait, I don't want that. No. Oops. I was still loading so I couldn't see the car and I accidentally went in it. Oh no. I hope she doesn't think I'm some kind of car hijacker. No, I need my lights on. Oh, okay. Spun out. I pretty much suck at driving in this game. I don't know what light that is, so I'm gonna run it. Oh, that Lamborghini just crashed. Oh no. I'm guessing it's green because everybody is going? I don't know. I am confused. SOS. Should I just like park until the light? Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Okay. Okay. White van. That's what you don't trust. Not screw it. I don't care. I don't care anymore. I'm just gonna go. I don't care. I just crashed. Oh no, and that fan just T-boned me. Better turn on my hazards. Why is he trying to tase me when he's not a cop? Just... Yeah, I'm just gonna leave now. I'm just gonna drive away. Oh, and he died. That's probably that's a very sad story right there. Oh Jesus. Oh no. Oh no. Okay. Oh no. Parking brake. Ah, that was close. Wait. Oh! I didn't know you could do this. I thought you'd just go like over them. Ouch. This is probably like the only beta game that I know that doesn't cost Robux. So most betas and alphas cost Robux and all that. Now I know what lights they are. And I just ran up. I can make it. Yeah, I did it. I just spun out. Oh, wait. What? Oh. I just, you know what? I'm gonna let him go. Okay. Okay, now time to act like a good driver. But speed, still. I forgot to use my blinkers, so I'm gonna use them now. louder in my videos. For a second I thought that was water. Whoa. That was very close. Probably too close. Can this... Oh. Okay. Oh. Can this, like, turn green, please? There's no cars coming, so I don't get why it's still red. Can it... Oh, okay. Now it's... Oh wait, that's the arrow for that way, so yeah. No, speed it. Yeah. Okay, I did it. Turn red that time. Okay. This roundabout is, no joke, the worst once you're going fast. So just like slam right into that thing. Doing a good job, Subway. I'm gonna work at Subway. I am on the wrong lane. No. Oops. I think. Oh! Don't rear-end me. Good. That one job and failed. Can I please just refill my car? But okay, fill up completely. Yay! Let's go. Oops! That totally was an accident. Running that red light, totally. Should be totaled by now. No. why can't I drive better? I remember how like I would always used to just drive on the wrong lane, but now I don't, because I realize that that's so freaking annoying. Oh no. Oh gosh. Wow, he doesn't even check if I'm okay. What a great person, you know. Come on, car. I literally, like, just figured out about this mode like a week ago. Like, if I left click, I go forward. Right click, stop. And you move your mouse to turn. Look, this mode is actually decently dangerous because it's so hard to control. Oh Jesus. Yeah, see? Look. WASD is way easier. Now I'm gonna turn around. For no reason. Just for no absolute reason. God, that was close. Can somebody please move their cobalt? Whatever it is. Their car. I'm not honking at you, I'm honking at this. It's okay. Okay, now I can just go straight past this dude. New. Ah. Okay. I thought I was gonna spin. Oh, slow. Okay. Stop. Okay. Yeah, I did it. Without crashing. I need my Model X back, but I can't afford it. So I'm gonna buy my Model 3 back if I can. Oh, I think that's cancer symbol. Maybe Elizabeth got cancer, I guess. If that's what happened, I feel bad for the creator. Yeah, that's gotta be okay. Ooh, model. Oh, that's nice. Honda Civic. I've always wanted one of these. Those are some nice cars. Minivans, now new ones, which is sad. I'm just gonna, no. Just gonna click on one that you can't afford and press buy. That's the real way you get out of it. If you have this annoying thing on your screen that blocks the X. And you gotta be Are you serious? Really, dude? You parked. What? I'm beating your car up. You deserve it. Destroy his car. I'm just gonna. How does he expect me to get out of here? Really? Like, hitting his car. That's what you get. Car's probably totaled now because I like T-boned it like 15 times. No, don't. I hate this car. It just spins out so much. I'm gonna end the video here, so bye, and make sure to subscribe and leave a like, and bye. Actually, you don't have to subscribe if you want to, though, but I recommend it. Bye.